Hey, what's going on, everybody? Matthew from therighttrader.com. Today I'm really excited to bring you a review of the GMX cryptocurrency. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We're gonna dip right into it. And guys, GMX is a pretty interesting coin in the crypto space. It is currently at rank 75 at a price point of right around $77. It has a little bit under $1 billion in market cap, right around 660 million. So this is a little bit on the more medium to smaller sized cap cryptocurrency, and that's actually a good thing, right? Because it gives it a lot more room to grow. Okay, now we're going to talk about a little bit about what GMX is, but also its amazing price performance, guys. This is one of the few coins that I've ever seen that kind of has a non-stop uptrend. It reminds me a lot of Chainlink back in the day, but I mean, this should really stick out to you pretty clearly here. This thing has been doing nothing but go up, okay? And this is all happening while we aren't in the strongest period, right? We're kind of in a crypto winter, yet the GMX cryptocurrency has been non-stop going up. And I think there's a lot of reasons for that, including, you know, a smart tokenomics supply structure. But if I go over to the weekly time frame, guys, it literally has not stopped going up, okay? Except, of course, your natural small pullbacks. This has been on a non-stop uptrend here on the weekly time frame. And of course, even on the daily here, you can see that beautiful uptrend continuing. We also have other strong levels of support like this one right here. And, you know, a lot of levels here where the price is holding up above and not even going back below. So that's a huge win right there for the GMX cryptocurrency. As far as its price performance, right, it's up 570% in the last 10 months, guys. And I want to remind you that this is while Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies have fallen over 30, 40, 50%, okay? So you need to put things into perspective and see just how well GMX is performing. It has a very strong fan base as well. And what it is a decentralized perpetual exchange, okay? The perpetual and derivatives market is one of the biggest markets on earth. And if GMX is able to acquire only a small portion of that, guys, its market cap will go flying. I'll remind you that it's at a $600 million market cap. And now I want you to take a look at something. We're going to go look at the total value locked on different blockchains. Now, GMX is currently on Arbitrum, which it is the #1 decentralized app on Arbitrum, as you can see right here. Okay. And it's had a steady increase in the past month in terms of total value locked, currently at around $500 million on Arbitrum. That is locked into the protocol. And if we go over to Avalanche here, you'll see that it is the third biggest project on Avalanche with a TVL of 100 million. So right now, based on the TVL to market cap ratio, it is very fairly priced, okay? With that being said, a lot of decentralized applications usually have a premium over their TVL, right? So let's say it would have $200 million in TVL, it would maybe have a market cap of 2 billion. Okay, so right now it's actually severely undervalued still, despite the current price increase. Okay, I'd say a more fair value would be somewhere around $3 to $4 billion, which would already mean a quite substantial multi-$100 price increase compared to where we are now. And looking more long term, guys, I do have to say that Arbitrum and Avalanche, okay, which the GMX decentralized app is currently available on, are two of the blockchains that I'm the most bullish on for the future in terms of decentralized applications. Okay, I think a lot more money is going to go into these two, and as such, a lot more money is going to go into GMX, right, as it's one of the top D apps on those projects. So now you get the idea of how much success it has. You can see the amount of users. This is a very, very used application, and the token itself even has an APR due to the fact that it's a utility and governance token, right? You can see the APR over here, 5.26%, a nice little dividend right there. So you can start to see here a lot of positives with GMX. On top of that, GMX and DYDX are currently going head to head for the top decentralized derivatives position. I wouldn't be surprised if GMX were to win that race just by a bit. Now, if that wasn't enough, you can also see that GMX is proposing deployment on Coinbase's base blockchain, okay? We just talked about how GMX was on Arbitrum and Avalanche, and Coinbase now recently launched is launching their own blockchain, okay? I think it's a very smart move for GMX to move over to that as well. and I really like how they're going about this, which blockchains they're on, etc. Okay, I think that the management and the team behind GMX is very strong, right? It is a decentralized team from what I'm aware of, and the whole community is pretty strong. There's a lot of people who like GMX, who are behind it, who hold the token, and who use it. And you can see here this article clearly saying and explaining how GMX's token has kept rising despite the crypto market correction, guys. Okay, severely outperforming most cryptocurrencies. So all these things combined should lead you to be quite bullish if you weren't already. And keep in mind that this is just my own personal opinion, not financial advice. As far as what I expect for the future, guys, well, I think it's pretty clear. I expect this uptrend to continue for several months, if not the next 1 to 3 years, with very, very little major price pullbacks. And, yes, the price might flatten out for a while, but I don't think we're ever going to come shooting down lower for the time being on GMX, guys. I think this initial uptrend can keep on for, bringing us up to $100, maybe even $200, and maybe then we'll get some stabilization, consolidation, and then just keep moving higher. Okay, so I really just expect a bit of a ladder type move up until multi-$100 price point, guys. I mean, I would have to backtrack the math here, but I think GMX could quite easily 10x, getting to a $6-7 billion, even a $10 billion market cap definitely seems possible. And that would of course mean the price reaching over $500. So let's call it, that would be one of my best price predictions, probably for the next 2 to 3, maybe 4 years. I'd say a $500 price prediction for GMX is very, very achievable. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, smash that like button, and go follow me on Twitter. Also check out my technical analysis master course if you want to learn technical analysis trading. All of the links to this in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day, everybody.